Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at Polkadot coin. Now trying something completely new, trying to do the videos more in the morning rather than later the night, so let's try it out. Anyways, since last time we are looking for this kind of movement on 4-hour time frame or a kind of like break of lower lows and then the local bottom area to be reached where we would be looking for some kind of long position, which would be the secondary entry for us. But what happened was basically we had, let me zoom in quickly. So what we had was, let's remove a few things. We were looking for this 100 EMA to be broken and the break of structure to form here. The exact same movement we displayed here as well. Oh my god. So here, a nice movement, boom, breakout, and then full breakout, like break of structure. So what happened was a nice breakout, although it took some time, but still the formation was pretty decent. Now going to remove all the unnecessary things that doesn't matter anymore, and going to even remove this one actually, because we had a pretty decent reversal here, and there should be no way for us to go for any kind of like, I'm actually going to keep it, any kind of downside moments from here on. So we had a nice breakout from the EMAs on the 4-hour time frame. We had a retest. Seems like first one was successful one, second one successful one, and now price is going for some sort of like a break of structure, secondary one. On the 30-minute time frame, I think we would see it more clearly. So yeah, going to drag it here and drag it here. We had one attempt which was failed, and now price is still hovering near the 4-hour time frames EMAs. So what we are going to look, okay, not the EMAs, but still, you get the point. What we are going to look for is a proper breakout from this area, which would trigger a smaller long entry for us, which means like target of 6%, with the risk being 3.2%, but only once we see the proper breakout here, which means again a nice breakout. So let's draw it here, a nice breakout, retest, and then a moment to the upper zones. So the retest point is very important in this case. Now this is the show, actually in this case it's not that important because it's the secondary, but what's important is once we see this area, we are going to drag our entry closer to here, going to the daily time frame, and we are going to focus now on the bigger movement that we are expecting on, which is going to be, I don't know why, I don't actually remember why we had this high target here, but the major target for us is this area here, which is like let's call it $4, like 3.5 to $4, which is the major and most crucial resistance area for us as of now. Now this area we are expecting to be reached within like a May, so whoa, might take some time, but like April, March, April, May maximum is the length where we would be looking for this area to be reached. So it might take a couple of months, so January, February, March, basically 3-4 months. But this is a pretty decent risk reward ratio with potential risk in like losing, let's round it up to 15%, and potentially gaining 85%. So more than good risk reward ratio. So the key point is, once again, we need to see a proper breakout from this area. Once we see the breakout, it would be something like this. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 1, 2, like that, here. Now breakout, full breakout, bam, 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 bam. Let's narrow it down. I'm going to drag it here, and this is the entry we would be looking for. So we had here, this area here. This would be the first entry for us. So we're going to take the highlight. This is the first entry. Let's call it like 1% entry. Upon seeing the breakout, we will just keep it at 1%. Upon seeing the retest, this would be the secondary entry, and this would be the third entry. So 1%, 1%, and 1%, in total 3% of the portfolio can be invested into this position. Now, if we see the price fall down, so we had the breakout here, decent one, but a failed retest, we wouldn't be going into any more entries here, but rather just wait and see how price unfolds and maybe look for any kind of opportunities in the future. But this is the ultimate target for us and the ultimate price moment that we are looking for. So that being said, that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you tomorrow.